Hello again, William James back again with another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to break into the home business industry if you don't already have results. This is one of the biggest problems that new people face when they are starting a home business is, how do I actually get results if I don't already have results that I can show? So if you're new to the channel, again, I'm William James. I do videos for affiliate marketers, network marketers, course creators, people who are growing home-based businesses online. I specialize in teaching free organic Facebook strategies. If you are not already in my group, I have a whole group where I teach the ins and outs of how to master the Facebook algorithm, how to get leads and sales on Facebook, and all that good stuff. There'll be a link below this video. If you're not in the group, you can join the group down there, as well as check out some other links to some other recommended opportunities and offers that I have down there. So please, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell notification if you would like to get notified when I create new videos. So with that out of the way, guys, let's dive in. How do you actually break into the home business industry if you don't already have results? So, like I said, I talk to a lot of people, on a daily basis who are struggling to make their first sale in affiliate marketing, network marketing. And, one of the biggest problems that they run into is that the way that the industry is set up, the home business industry, the make money online industry, the nature of that industry is that you are doing outreach to people who want to start a home business and essentially offering them a solution to how they can make money online. Any type of network marketing or make money online affiliate offer is really geared towards somebody who would like a home business, and this is supposed to allow them to do that. So because of that, the problem is that it's hard to get someone to believe that buying into your business or your offer is going to help them to get results and have a successful home business if you can't then show that in fact it's working for you and you have a successful home business. So it's kind of like the catch-22 of this industry, that in order to really get people interested in joining a business opportunity, you kind of have to be able to show success with it, right? It's not very convincing to say, like, well, I don't have any results at all, but you should do what I'm doing, right? So the whole process of getting people to pay attention to you is also, in a fairly substantial degree based on showing them that you know what you're doing by showing results. So what do you do when you don't have results? How do you get people to pay attention to you? And how do you get them to actually, then look at a business opportunity if you don't have any results? So the key is you do not need to have results with a particular business in order to create influence and get people interested in what you're doing. So say you're in a network marketing company. You've started with this network marketing company or an affiliate offer or whatever it is. You've started with a new business. You haven't made a single sale yet. Your job is to get people's attention and direct it onto that business, right? So there's a couple of things that you need in order to make that happen without results. The first suggestion that I would make is get results in an area other than actually making money. Get a different kind of result. Because if you have no results at all, if you have nothing to show that you have anything to offer, then this is going to be very difficult, because what people are looking for is someone who can help them, someone who can show them what to do, someone who can actually help them create a home business that works. So you have to be able to step into a position of leadership to some degree to be able to say, hey, I have a solution for you. Because if you have no results at all, you really don't have a solution for anyone. So my strategy, the way I did this and the way I recommend is the easiest way to break in, is to get results with something other than sales. And there's basically sort of the two easiest things that I have used and that I think are easy for everyone to use to do that. And those two things are getting results with your Facebook engagement and getting leads. See, if you can show that every single post on your timeline gets at least 300 likes, that is something that you can then turn around and say, hey, let me teach you how to make every post on your timeline get at least 300 likes. And there are millions of people who want to learn that. So that instantly positions you as an authority on something and you have results to back it up. It doesn't matter if you've never made a sale in your life. If you can say, hey, I teach Facebook engagement, come in here, join my list, join my group, even buy a course, I'll teach you how to get 300 likes on every single post. People are going to be happy to do that, and they don't care if you've never made a single sale in your life. Okay. So Facebook algorithm, super easy because everyone can do it. It doesn't take any skill. It doesn't take any knowledge. It doesn't take, all you have to do is learn how the algorithm works and do the stuff, do the daily tasks that beat the algorithm, right? This is what the foundation of my Facebook group is all about. Yeah. I teach how to do that, and anyone can do it. And anyone can then turn around and teach that to somebody else. It doesn't matter if you have sales. Okay? Because now what you've done is you have some kind of result that you can show to be able to offer something of value so that you now have people's attention. And once you have attention, you can direct it to anything you want. So the second thing that I said was leads. If you can figure out how to get leads, you can show that as a result. You don't need to have sales. You can show leads as a result. So I did a video, actually I didn't, this was a post I did in my group where I was talking about, some easy ways of getting leads. And you can literally set up an email capture page and put some type of training on the other side. Oftentimes the training can this is what I did. The training can literally be how to get leads on Facebook. And you message people and you post about it on your timeline and you basically say, hey, I've been getting 10 to 20 free leads every day on Facebook. Would you like me to send you a training that shows you how to do that? And then you send people the capture page and they want to learn how to do that. They put in their name and their email address and they go in. That's how you get the leads. It's kind of stupid in a sense because you're getting leads by telling people how to get leads. But it works. And anyone can do that. Right? You don't need any sales skills, you don't need any marketing skills, you don't need anything. You just have to know how to put up a capture page and one strategy for getting leads. Right? So you can, then do videos on your timeline, say, or whatever, showing hey, look at this. Every single day I'm getting 10 to 20 leads. Here they are coming in, showing your Aweber or Get Response or whatever, showing the leads. That's a result. It doesn't matter that they haven't bought anything. Yeah. There's literally millions of people out there in network marketing who have never gotten a lead in their life because for whatever reason, they just don't get it. They don't know what to do, right? Guys, the number of people who are in this industry who know absolutely nothing it's like 90%. Okay, there's millions of them. So the way that you do this is you learn one little skill, one little trick that helps, and then you can teach that. And it does not matter if you're actually making money, because what you then have is you are positioning yourself as an authority about that particular thing, how to get leads, how to get engagement, right? If you know something else that you can teach, do that too. If it's how to get YouTube subscribers or whatever, any other, facet of marketing that you can teach, do that. But it doesn't have to actually be results. Yeah. So you get people's attention, you get them to look up to you in some respect, and you start building your audience of people who want to learn that thing. Yeah. Then what you can pretty easily do is direct their attention to an irresistible offer. And what I recommend is to have something that is related to what you're teaching, like a course. If you can have like an affiliate course or even create your own course. I created my own course on the Facebook algorithm. I sold it for $97. I made quite a lot of money with it. Okay. And you can do that too. Anyone can do that, guys. It's not difficult. But if you don't want to do that yet, there's plenty of courses like this out there that you can be an affiliate for, right? So you're building your audience, you're teaching your Facebook engagement strategies, your lead generation strategies. You've got people's attention. Now you can say, hey, if you want to learn even more about how to market on Facebook, how to get leads, how to close sales, etc., check out this course. It's only $97, whatever. You should be something that's low, not too expensive. And boom, then you start, like, people are going to buy that because you've given them value, you've gotten their attention, you've taught them something, and now the next step is, here's how you learn more, and it's at an affordable price. People are going to buy it. Then what do you have? Then you have results. You have sales. You can start showing income screenshots. That's how you break in, guys. And then you can start doing posts saying, boom, check out how I made $300 this week. Learn how to make, 4 sales a week in your business. Learn how, right? So on and so forth. Now you've kind of broken into the industry, you see? The other thing you can offer is, if not a course on, giving more value based on the same stuff you've already been teaching for free. You get that, guys? It's like you teach something for free, and then you have a paid course that gives them more of the same type of value, right? So you can do that. The other thing you can do is there are certain offers that you can start promoting that are very easy to promote. Like Textbot is this, offer that I've been crushing it with. It's so ridiculously easy to promote this thing because it's a text message software that sells itself, basically. So you get a phone number, the person calls the phone number, they hear a message, they press 1 to hear more, and it subscribes them to a text bot, which sends them to a sales funnel, which sells the whole system to them, right? Very easy. You don't have to do anything. It's cool. It's unique. Very, very easy to sell. And it helps everybody in the industry, right? Because it also builds leads for your primary business. The thing works. It's amazing. Like, it's a great offer. So you can find something like that has a mass appeal to everybody in the industry. The key here, guys, is you need to break in by offering people something that's going to help them with what they're already doing, whether it's a course or a software or something. It's very difficult to, almost impossible, I would say, to get someone to start a whole new business or a new network marketing company if you don't have some type of, positioning and leadership and results to show for it, right? It's much, much easier to break into this industry if you are using, it's much easier to get sales in general if you're selling something that helps people with where they're already at, with what they're already doing, instead of trying to convince them to start a whole new business. That type of offer will always make more money, and you will get more sales than, starting a new business type of an offer. You just will. So start with either training or a really cool tool that really helps and is, affordable. And as soon as you start getting sales on those, you now have results which you can leverage to get more sales and build your audience more and build more authority, right? But this is all about your willingness to step into leadership, right? It's all about you putting aside your insecurities and going, okay, I'm going to learn one or two things, one or two strategies that work that can give me some type of result, like leads or engagement. And then I'm going to actually, instead of just doing those things, the step that people miss is, instead of just focusing on getting lots of engagement and getting some leads, what you do is you flip it and you say, I'm going to teach this to other people. And you don't have to lie and pretend that you're a guru who's making, 6 figures. You just have to say, I can teach you how to get leads and how to get engagement. And you really can do it, and you have the results to back yourself up. That's how you break in, guys. It's from making the mental shift from I'm just doing this for myself to I'm going to now teach this. Guys, this industry is a leadership business model. In other words, in order to be successful in this industry, you have to be leading other people by teaching them. Yeah? You cannot make it in the home business industry if you are not teaching other people how to be successful in home business. That's how you do this. You're not going to convince people to join a home business without giving them any value. You're not going to just say, hey, I'm a newbie, join this business. I don't have any results. It doesn't work that way. You must get people's attention and get people's respect by giving them value first. And then from there, they will automatically start being interested in your offers. Okay. So I hope that makes sense, guys. This industry is not difficult to break into if you just go about it right. And that's how it's done. Yeah. Now there's other, facets to this to some degree, like if you're in a business that has lots of really compelling testimonial videos or something like that, that's going to help you a lot. Like other people's results, leveraging other people's results also can help you. If if you're part of a team and there's people like changing their lives right and left, share those stories, and that can do a great deal to inspire people, right? So that's kind of like the other side of this. But I still think it's necessary to have some value of your own that you can bring to the table to get people's attention, keep their attention, get them to know, like, and trust you, and direct their attention onto an offer. And the easiest way to do that, guys, is to master the Facebook algorithm. Start getting likes on your posts. Get your personal branding done, right? If you understand personal branding, your cover photo, how to set up your profile right, how to get engagement, how to get, leads. If you know that much, and anyone can do that, I teach it all in my group. Anyone can do it. Then you have a foundation to set yourself up as an authority who can help other people. And that is how you break in. Okay? All right, I feel like I'm repeating myself, so I'm going to wrap it up. Hope that made sense, guys. Let me know what you thought of this video in the comments. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you like my videos. And with that said, have a great day, and we'll talk soon. Bye.